Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lecture, I am going to explain the course project for our course Architecture Drawing Skills. Our today's lecture topic are project samples. We will browse some samples of our similar projects and how to make a presentation in different ways. For example, with using ink techniques, pencil techniques, color techniques, different color, watercolor, pencil color, and so on. And the given drawing for our project, I will give you perspective for our project, ground floor plan, and section for our project. Okay. After that, we will discuss what are the required drawings for our project. Please, every student can select suitable render techniques. You can select any type of render techniques using pencil, using ink, using color, or you can combine two techniques together. It will be very good. And for example, if you are using pencil with pencil colors, it will be good. If you are using watercolor with pencil or watercolor with ink and so on, if you are combining between two techniques, your project will be masterful. This is the first sample. This is a project. This is the floor plan. And here, this is the layout. And as we see here, this is the streets around this project. And here, this is plan. Here is the entrance. And here is the first space, second space, and this is administration part. This project is library, public library. And as we see, the elements of landscape and layout, we must see same in ground floor plan. Here is the elevation, main elevation of the building, okay, and here as we see the section, and the main perspective is here, okay. The students used here two techniques, ink techniques plus color techniques, UCAN colors. She used techniques, ink techniques for walls and so on, and after that used some colors in order to make presentation for her project. Another one, the same project but another student. Here the student used pencil techniques. Here pencil techniques plus ink, as we see, same. This is the layout, and here's the ground floor plan with furniture and floors, as we see here, okay, and this is the main elevation, and here main section, and this is the main external perspective. As we see, this is a human perspective. We see this elevation, also here the second elevation, okay. This is another techniques for using UCAN colors. Look, this is UCAN colors with ink. So as we see, the designer here used all ink techniques in her presentation, as we see here in plan and in layout and in elevation and section here, and this is the main perspective. Also, he used here 2 points perspective, and as we see the two main elevations we can see in this perspective, and this is human eye perspective. يبقى here a combination between UCAN colors with ink, okay. The same techniques used here, ink plus very small amount from colors, okay. So, and gray, here gray, this is the main perspective, this is the project, this is the ground floor plan, here first floor plan, and here the perspective. Same, this is another project and the third project, and so same as we see. This is a school project, as we see here, same. Here is classes, here is theater or meeting room, and so on. Same, he used here only gray tones only. Here, very good example for using gray ink and colors. As we see, this is the main perspective here. Layout, ground floor, this layout, ground floor plan, first floor plan, sections and elevations here. This is another example for using ink only. Here, the designer used only ink techniques in his presentation. This is the ground floor plan. This is a chalet unit. This is a ground floor plan with furniture. Here, ground floor plan without furniture, only 4 floors. Here is main elevation and side elevation and main section, and here the layout. As we see here, all elements were presented using ink techniques, even sky, even here planets, even everything in using by or presented by using ink techniques. Here, using pencil techniques, as we see, this is a perspective look, any technique using pencil. Okay, here also another one. And here, in order to show you the difference between color or near to reality perspective and handmade perspective. Okay, this is by using computer, and here by using handmade. Here also sketches by hand, and here by computer. Okay, the presentation here by using render technique or pencil rendering technique. Same another example for this is house. This is by computer, and here by hand. And here how to present the layout or the plan, the ground plan or first floor plan by using pencil colors. Okay, this white in order to present the light coming from the windows, different windows as we see here. This is wall, it is filled by ink, and here the furniture by using pencil colors as we see here. Very good example, and here very small amount of colors, no need to use more colors. Okay, our course project, this is the main perspective for our course project. From here the main entrance, and from here another entrance for employment. This is consists of 2 floors or 1 floor. Here the main entrance, okay, main entrance from here, and this is waiting area and reading area, and here copy center, and this part is administration part, and here toilets for all genders here, and here store, this is store, and here is administration offices for employment. Okay, this is the plan. You must take attention for that how many steps here must be equal to here, because inside no stairs. Okay, so wall thickness 20 centimeter. Dimensions for doors and window, it's up to you. Uh, you must select the suitable width of doors and windows and height and everything according to your information and your recommendation. This is the floor plan, and here the section. The clear height is 8 meters, and here is fence 1 meter. Okay, this is the section. Okay, what you are required to do: first, ground floor plan with a scale 1 to 100. Second, the main elevation 1 to 100. Third, cross section 1 to 50, perspective 1 to 50, and layout 1 to 100. Okay, this is the required drawing for our course project. This is our today's explanation for our course project. Please, you can start to do our project. Please select the suitable vendor in which you are very clever. If you are clever in using pencils, it's okay. If no, so use ink. If no, so colors, and so on. It will be very good if you are using two techniques together. Don't use only pencil, don't use only ink or only colors. If you are combining with these techniques, your project will be very good. I hope you understood our today's lecture. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.